Hi, welcome to day 18. I promise it's going to be lighter than day 17. Let's get started. Day 18. What do we got? It says green tea on the back, and I would love to have a shout out to the person that had me guessing which it is, and we'll put the comment here. I really appreciate that. That was super fun. That was on the ginger day. So green passion fruit, fruity, tangy, and refreshing. Let's take a look at this, and then we'll go through the ingredients. Okay, so what we have here is pineapple, and it's pineapple, sugar or cane sugar, citric acid, and sulfates. Green tea, black currants, cornflower petals, calendula petals, safflowers, natural passion fruit flavoring. Woof! It's low caffeine, 3 to 4 minutes on the clock, 85-degree water. All right, let's get this going. And today it's gonna be an easier day. I wanna talk about money and how to gift money and what you guys do, and yeah, all that jazz. So for me, for my niece, I usually give her money because I find that she's at that age, you know, where she wants to buy her own things. I like to add a little something sometimes with it. Last year we wrapped it around a turnip because she loves turnips. So we thought that would be funny that, you know, she would be picking up the box and unsure of what it was when it was a turnip with a $50 bill. So I thought that was pretty fun. We give money and stuff to the nieces and nephews until they turn a certain age. And when Ricky, one of my nephews, turned 18, we gave him a $50 bill, but we stuffed it inside a money learning book. So it was kind of like, read the book and maybe you'll find the $50. I think he quickly flipped through it and found the $50. So today I just want to kind of show you how we can quickly, hopefully I can do this. It's been a while since I've done this. How we can make giving money just a little bit nicer, I guess. Or I'm sure she doesn't care. It's probably just all for me. Let's see if we can remember how to do this. So the thing with folding Canadian money now is that it's plastic. So it does make it a lot more challenging than what it used to be when it was paper. And our plastic money, you can actually see through it. I will link to some proper tutorials down below in the description box on how to properly do this, because I know I'm not showing you very well. So we're almost there, timer, we're almost there. Okay, and because it is plastic money, I am using a little bit of tape. I usually would not. Okay, so there we have made ourselves a little heart. But I want to make it a little bit cuter when we give it to her. So I picked up this photo frame, and I thought that, you know, she could put pictures of her and her friends in it afterwards. But I have this photo that I took years and years ago, so I thought that would be fun. Let's see where we can add this. What do you think? Maybe there, kind of like the center of the flower. Money is the center of the flower. And we're just going to use a little bit of double-sided tape. Add that to the back. This in. What are your guys' thoughts of giving money for Christmas gifts? Do you think it's like a big no-no, or is it totally something that you're like, yep, I'd do that? there. What do you think? I think will be a nice present for her. Okay, what's this called again? Green Passionfruit. I feel like we've had this before. I like that. That's nice. Taste buds are definitely changing. So if you don't like something one day, give it another go. Yep, that is delightful. It's nice. I could see that being nice iced, actually. I'd rate it like a 6 for a hot. Very good. All right, just a quick one, and I hope you guys are doing well, and as we move closer to Christmas, that it's not a stressful situation for you, that you're able to find some moments of peace and joy. See you down in the comments down below. Don't forget, we're still giving away that box, the Kindness Brews box. Description and details down in the description. Until next time, take care. Bye.